The lifetime aluminum raised bed corners will hold the whole bed in place for years. They're made out of metal, so they're not going to break down. They come in 7 different sizes, from 6 inches tall to 35 inches tall. So how do these lifetime aluminum raised bed corners work? Let me show you. You've got your corner here with the pre-drilled holes. You just take your 2-inch diameter wood and just slide it through the channel. Then attach screws through those pre-drilled holes and it'll stay in place. And these lifetime raised bed corners will be with you for a lifetime. So what if you want to make a really long bed or extend an existing bed? We've got a solution for you. We have inline connectors that'll take a 4-foot or a 6-foot long bed and turn it into an 8 or a 12-foot long bed. These are really nice because they're just like the raised bed corners in the sense that you can get them in 7 different sizes, from 6 inches to 35 inches tall. All you need to do is to place them at the end of your bed, get your 2-inch diameter wood, slide it down through the channel, line it up, and then you want to put another piece of wood about halfway through here, halfway down the bed. And the reason you're doing this is to prevent it from bowing. You know, any bed that's longer than about 8 feet is naturally going to bow. So this will keep it all in place. And then just using these pre-drilled holes and your drill, you can simply put it in place so it'll stay nice and square for as long as you want that bed. The lifetime aluminum raised bed corners also come with plastic caps that will give the corners a nice finished look. Most wooden raised beds are either square or rectangular, but if you want to get a little more creative, we have this pivoting raised bed corner. This is great. It's a hinge that just fits together like this, so your bed normally would be like this, or you can just turn it and have a 90-degree bed or anything in between. In this way, you can make a hexagon, for example, or a serpentine bed that'll snake across the yard. These come in 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes. And they're great for small space yards because sometimes you just don't have the right space for a big bed, but if you can turn it a little bit, it'll fit perfectly. To give your pivoting raised bed corners a finished look, we have these plastic caps that you can just press down right in there so it looks really neat and tidy.